This is the easiest way to create a Shopify store for completely free. When it comes to building your very first e-commerce store, things can get very expensive very quickly. Because of this, having something like a free trial that we can take advantage of is a huge benefit. And in today's video, we'll be showing you how to get access to a full Shopify free trial. This is a free trial that you can take advantage of and start growing your store immediately. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know, from Shopify's features, its price points, and even how to use it and build your very first online store. So without further ado, let's get into building the Shopify store. One of the first things I would recommend you guys do is hit the link down in the description to get started. This link will take you to this page right here, which is Shopify's free trial page. When you utilize our link in the description, this is how you're going to be able to start with Shopify as cheaply as possible. With this link, you'll basically be getting access to a 3-day free trial. Plus, once that 3-day trial is up, you'll get access to your first month of Shopify for only $1. As you can see on this page right here, these are all the benefits you'll get access to. And not only to mention that, but you'll also get $10,000 in credits. These credits are super helpful too, because basically for every sale, you'll earn 1% back in subscription credits for the first 6 months. And this is valued at up to $10,000 depending on the plan that you have. Now, in order to start building our Shopify store for completely free, we're going to enter in our email address right here and hit the Start Free Trial button. Once we hit the Start Free Trial button, it will then take us to this page. On this page, it's going to ask us a series of questions that we can answer in order for Shopify to actually tailor the beginning of our store to our personal needs. As you can see, the first question it'll ask us here is which best describes us. The first thing we can say is that either I'm just starting or I'm already selling online in person. I'm going to go ahead and say that we're just getting started. We'll then hit the next button, and then it'll ask us what type of products we're planning on selling. Are we an online store, an in-person store, a social media based store, an existing website or blog, or an online marketplace? We'll just say that we're an online store. Then we'll go ahead and hit the next button. The next thing it'll ask us is, what do we plan on selling first? Do we plan on selling products that we buy or make ourselves? Are we going to sell digital products? Are we going to sell drop shipping products? Are we going to sell services? Are we going to sell print on demand products? We can choose any of these, but we'll go ahead and choose drop shipping because that'll be the easiest to actually get set up in the first place. We'll then go down here and hit the next button. As you can see, the next question will ask us is, where is our business located? Now, for the sake of this video, we'll say the United States, but depending on where you're located, you'll want to choose the proper country. We'll then hit the next button, which will then take us to this part here. As you can see, it's going to have us create a Shopify account. We can either do this through an email, an Apple ID, a Facebook account, or a Google account. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with an email. As you can see, inside the email box, we already have our email ready to go. All we have to do now is enter in our password. Once you've created your password, you then can hit Create Shopify Account. It'll take a few seconds to load everything up properly into your store, and once it's done loading, we can start editing. As you can see, we are officially inside of Shopify's homepage. In the bottom right, we can see that we have 3 days left on our free trial. And as you can see, it even gives us the date that our trial ends, which will be August 19th, considering the fact that we signed up today on August 16th. Also, you can see here that we'll get access to our first month for only $1 and 1% of all sales as subscription credits. So the first thing we want to do here is actually get started with building our store. The first thing we're going to want to do is head down to the left here and click on the online store option. Once we click on the online store option, we'll be taken to the themes page. On the themes page, we can choose from a variety of different existing themes that we can display on our Shopify store. Each of these themes have their own benefits, and they're specifically designed for the type of business that you're planning on creating. As you can see, we have a couple here for things like clothing brands or even a portfolio website. Now, for the sake of this video, we'll just go ahead and keep with the current theme, which is the default one. This is called the Dawn theme, and the Dawn theme is actually super easy to customize. All we have to do is head over to this Customize button and click it. Once we click the Customize button, we'll be taken into Shopify Store Editor. As you can see, this is the Dawn theme, and it's super easy to edit. Most of Shopify's store building technology is built out on what's known as a drag and drop editor. This is an editor that means basically we can click any part of this website or drag and drop features from one place to another and easily edit things on the fly. We can edit pretty much everything you see here, from the top banner to the My Store icon to the buttons, the background banner image, the featured products. And we can even change the links to these products too to actually link them to another part of our Shopify store. And we can even have an email button to create an email leads list. Once we're done editing our store, we can hit the save button, and then we'll be taken back to Shopify's homepage. On their homepage, if we want to actually view our store, we can click this view button, which will then show us the final version of our actual edited storefront. Now that Shopify is pretty much ready to go as far as publishing our store, all we simply have to do is pick our plan. Now, if we actually want to get started with publishing our store, we simply scroll down here and click the publish button. Once we click the publish button, we just have to remove our password and hit the publish button. As you can see, this store is now completely published. Now, the online store is password protected, but to remove the password, we do have to go ahead and pick one of their pricing plans. Once you click the pick your plan button, this is what's going to pop up. We'll still get access to only $1 for our first month, but because we're on that free trial, we still don't have full access to actually publishing the store in the first place. But again, having access to your store for your first month for only $1 is a huge benefit. As you can see, they have a basic plan for solo entrepreneurs, a Shopify plan for small teams, an advanced plan for businesses that want to actually scale their business, and a host of other options. For their basic plan, you're going to get everything like 75% off shipping, 10 inventory locations, and 24/7 chat support. And for their Shopify plan, you'll get access to things like 88% off on shipping, 10 inventory locations, and of course 24/7 chat support. For their advanced plan, you'll get up to 88% in a shipping discount, custom reports and analytics, and 10 inventory locations. Also, enhanced 24/7 chat support. This is more for businesses who are looking to scale. Once we have our plan picked out, we simply select the plan that we want to go with, enter in our credit card details, and we'll be ready to go. And that's pretty much it. Creating a Shopify store has pretty much never been easier. It's also never been more accessible than it is right now because you can do so for completely free. Also, you're going to get access to that first month for only $1 with any of the plans that we just showed you, which is just another huge benefit. If you guys are interested in getting started with Shopify and following along with me, make sure you use the link down in the description. Once you guys have clicked that link, you can just follow along with me in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below what your guys' thoughts on Shopify are, and of course, let me know what you guys are planning on building. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you guys in a future video.